Good evening, Mr. Panji, Mr. Gaya, and everyone. We are from Group Ecobrick, and now we are going to present our research on our topic, which is utilizing Ecobrick as a solution to reduce plastic waste in ITB Jatinangor. Before we start to present our research, we are going to introduce ourselves. My name is Ragil Dimas Renardi with student ID 16924-085.
My
My
name is
name
Takif Razib with student ID 169241189.
my name is Karen Altaf Baswara with student ID 16924-010.
My name is Rafa Binay Makarim, and my student ID is 16924-128.
My name is Noel Ho with student ID 153-24701.
Now, let's proceed to our presentation. Before we start, I want to introduce about our topics. Plastic waste is a growing global problem here at the ITB Jatinangor. We are no strangers to this challenge. Plastics, one of the most persistent materials to decompose, pose a significant threat to our environment. Each year, billions of plastic water bottles are manufactured and consumed globally, contributing to a massive accumulations of waste. Much of this waste infiltrates ecosystems, harming terrestrials and marine life alike. At ITB Jatinangor, the scale of this problem is evident. In 2022 alone, the campus generated approximately 107 tons of waste, 77 tons of which were plastic or inorganic. To address this, we are turning to innovative solutions to Ecobricks, sustainable building blocks made by repurposing plastic waste. This initiative is more than just waste management. It embodies sustainability, creativity, and community collaboration. By upcycling plastic into durable and functional materials, we not only reduce waste but also create lasting benefits to our campus and beyond. Ecobricks offer a practical and inspiring way to transform a significant environmental challenge into an opportunity for innovation and positive impact. And the SDGs about our topic is about SDG 9, about innovative infrastructure and industry, and SDG 11, sustainable cities and communities.
So now let's go to the problem for our project. So plastic waste is a common problem in our world. Yeah, everywhere there's always going to be a plastic waste, especially in our campus, ITB Jatinangor. Despite its reputation as an eco-green campus, this campus still struggles with things such as improper waste disposal. Lots of individual fails to sort waste properly, and then there's low awareness. There's a lot of significant lack of knowledge about the environmental impact of plastic waste and sustainability alternative for this environment, for this campus. And there's the overflowing bins where lots of waste collected on the ground due to the capacity of the bins. And lastly is the environmental risk. With the uncollected plastic waste, this will often create a unsightly view for our campus because there's going to be a lot of plastic waste surrounding the bins, the campus, the canteen, and everywhere for this problem. Next. And the purpose of us doing this project, the Ecobricks, So first, it will reduce the environmental impact. It will minimize the harmful effect of the plastic waste. And then this will also promote awareness and participation. This will increase knowledge and the involvement among students, staffs, and visitors in our campus. This will also enhance our campus sustainability. Like I said before, ITB Jatinangor, the Jatinangor campus is known as the Eco Green Campus. And the fourth one is to encourage community engagement. It will make more collaboration and lots of responsibility by involving a lot of community for this. And of course, it will provide a cost-effective solution because this project is very low, you can say a low price because you don't need very expensive tools or a very complicated machine for this project. That's all.
Now, the utilization of Ecobricks offers several benefits as a solution to reduce plastic waste in ITB Jatinangor. As such, reduces plastic waste in ITB Jatinangor. Ecobricks provide a way to reuse plastic waste. With the amount of plastic from ITB students, we are able to turn plastic into an alternative material by also keeping plastic out of the natural environment. Next is the simplicity. Creating an ecobrick is simple and doesn't require advanced skills or technology. Main materials needed are clean plastic, bottle, waste, and most likely sand. These ingredients make it an accessible solution for a wide range of people. Next, the third one is the plastic waste volume. The amount of waste produced greatly decreased when plastics are composed into bottles and make ecobricks. This makes them easier to store and manage until they can be used for various purposes. And finally, innovation and design. Ecobricks can be used in creative ways, for example, garden designs, furniture making, and many more. This promotes innovation and opens up possibilities for new sustainable products. Although, despite its many advantages, ecobricks are neither a comprehensive solution to plastic pollution. The long-term environmental effects of plastic trash are still very concerning, and ecobricks don't address the roots of causes of plastic overproduction and consumption. And furthermore, the quality of ecobricks can vary depending on the plastic used and how well they are compacted. So it's important to follow proper guidelines to ensure their effectiveness and safety in construction.
Okay, next for the methodology itself. For the collecting techniques, for this project, we opted to use a thing called literature studies, which is better known as also library studies, is a research approach that carried out by searching or reference of theoretical basis that are relevant to the case or problem that are found. This reference can be searched for journal, online sources, report articles, or simply from the previous research of the topic itself. And then furthermore, for the creating of the ecobrick itself, one of the highlighted steps that we gotta do before is obviously collecting and sorting the plastic waste. The plastic and bottle waste that are collected from ITB Jatinangor that we'll use for this project will solely depends on plastic bottles and dry plastic waste. Uh, After the plastic was collected, it will be sorted into like specification and requirement that needs to be supported and fulfilled. One of them is that it has to be in a dry condition and the plastic bottle should be in a 600 milliliter form. Next, for the making of the ecobrick itself, we have a few steps. The basics, we're not going to go deep, but and simple. After it was sorted out, the plastics will be cut into small pieces and put in, so it will be easier to be padded once inside the bottle. And then after we put inside the bottle, the dry plastic will be padded out. We can use a bamboo stick or a wooden stick. And then after that, we have to ensure the rigidness of the Ecobricks by measuring out that for the 600 milliliters bottle, there should be minimum of 200 grams of dry plastic. And then after all of it was done to pack, it will be closed by the cap from the original bottle, and then will be stored in a safe place away from sunlight. Lastly, for the implementation of Ecobricks, there are a lot of things that we can do from the base itself. One of them is making it simple, almost as simple and similar as a conventional bricks by connecting them with cement. Furthermore, these bricks can also be made for a few of small scale projects such as home furniture, chairs, in which as in this case we're going to use it for chairs and tables, especially in ITB Jatinangor, as mentioned before. Furthermore, by converting plastics into ecobricks and implementing them, we hope that it will significantly reduce the number of plastic waste in ITB Jatinangor. That's it.
Next, in summary of our project, as based on the findings on the research, the proposal plan has been determined to be feasible and implementable. The plastic waste can be destroyed into pieces and turned into eco-bricks. The purpose of this research study is to show that plastic wastes can be turned into something useful again, and also reducing the overloaded waste, specifically here in ITB Jatinangor. As from the data collected by 2022, ITB Jatinangor has around 77,000 of inorganic waste. The plastic waste may grow time by time, but with this solution, Ecobricks, the plastic waste can be reduced. So I think this summarized our project and findings for this research project of our sustainability project.
That's all from us. Thank you so much, Mr. Panji, Mr. Gay, and everyone.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
sir.
Thank you.